Have a packing problem? Your goal is to minimize cargo space plus to reduce the costs? I know, but how to make it happen? By using Packing2D app from Supply Chain Apps portfolio. How many containers are needed for which relation is no longer a headache for you. I will guide you now through Packing2D app to show you how to use it. Let's start. To get the optimal packing plan for different relations, we will take an example of a client from Holland who wants to deliver shipments from Genoa to Los Angeles and from Rotterdam to Vancouver. In the first table, we have listed all the packages with their IDs, dimensions which include a length and width, and the relations from to where that particular packages should be shipped. In the second table, we listed all the containers that we have on disposal for the particular relation. For the first relation from Genoa to Los Angeles, we have 3 different container types, while for the second relation from Rotterdam to Vancouver, we have 2 container types. After getting the results in the first table, we can see how many containers do we need for both of the relations, but also what is the total number of packages in it and the percentage of utilization. In the second table, we see that all the packages will be shipped with 2 container types, and we also get the number of containers necessary for each container type, as well as the number of packages in it. In the third table, we can see some KPIs regarding both relations and each separate container. In the fourth table, we can check which packages will go to which container and on which relation. In the last table, there is the list of all the packages which cannot be packed if you don't have enough space in the containers. But in this case, everything is packed into the containers, and that's why this table is empty. Let's now visualize the packing process inside the containers using our dashboards. This is how one of the containers would be packed for the first relation, while for the second relation, the visualization of the packing for one of the containers would look like this. For each one of the containers and the relations, we can also see the representation on these interactive charts, which include some important KPIs. Let's now quickly go through the benefits of using Packing2D app to sum up why it's a perfect fit for improving your supply chain planning. First of all, you get optimal packing plan for multiple relations. The second, this app has intelligent packing algorithm that minimizes cargo space for 1,000 packages in seconds. The third, you can simulate demand changes and get new insights regarding cargo utilization. And the last, but definitely not least, you can reduce your transport costs. Besides packing everything properly, one more excellent thing would be to find the warehouses as close as possible to your customers, right? And you can find those warehouses thanks to the excellent tutorial about the nearest warehouse app, so don't miss this video. Like and comment, and don't be shy to ask questions because our experts are always at your service. Major things are in the making, so don't forget to subscribe and keep updated. Stay with our channel.